Hey Cassandra, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and requesting this free video. So, as you can see, we are on your website, and I'm going to show you just a few tips that you guys can apply right away so that you can start driving in more traffic, getting more of those organic leads, and ranking higher in Google. So, your website's a little bit more dated, but that's okay because Google doesn't rank based on appearance. Um, you guys have a ton of content, and this is really, really good. Content is king. The more content, the better. And you need more content than your competitors. So this part is really good. Um, you need to be more focused on your buyer intent keywords for each of your services and service areas. Not all keywords work the same, and it's something I see a lot. Businesses just throw keywords in there hoping that it's going to drive traffic and stick. Um, and that's not how it works. So even if you get a lot of people on your site looking at your blog, those don't necessarily convert into customers. So with the blogs, you definitely need to have some interlinking back to your home pages to try and drive the traffic with the keywords there. Um, Again, lots of content. This is perfect. Google wants a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words. And you guys definitely have that. So you just need to refocus the content that's on these pages with those relative buyer intent keywords, which are the keywords your customers are actively searching in Google for your services. Um, I see that you guys have a huge service area. North Carolina and parts of Virginia. Um, so each of these counties here and the cities within those counties. So this is a massive area. You should have a separate page for every single one of these areas and the cities in those areas for your services. Any cities that you service that have any type of search volume needs their own page with their own content, similar to like you did on the homepage, going after those buyer intent keywords for each of those services in each of those towns. Um, so you guys definitely need a bunch more pages so that you can actively be found in these communities. Google uses robots called crawlers that go and index each one of your pages. And they go and they pull the content looking for the keywords on all of these pages. And that's how they get you in front of your customers, is by your content and those keywords. So if we look at your competitor, one of your top competitors is Pickard Roofing Company. They have an okay looking website. They have a variety of different services and service pages as well. And they do have content. They got a ton of blogs like you guys do. They have a couple service areas, not nearly as many as you. And so each of those service areas, they have their own pages for. So they're able to drive traffic in those areas to their website and convert into customers. So these guys don't have nearly enough content on their homepage and not nearly as much as you guys do on the homepage. Um, but they are going after the more accurate buyer intent keywords for their services and service area pages. Um, this is a program we use called Ahrefs, and it helps us to analyze how your website is performing. As you can see, you have a 3.5 out of 100 in Google's trust flow for your whole website. And that is 100% because of your referring domains and your backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. You need to make sure that you have high quality, do follow backlinks that are relative to your industry, and you need more of those than your top competitors. It looks like almost all your backlinks are going to your homepage and your blog based on the score for your homepage. Because of your blog, you are indexed for over 800 keywords, but you're actually only getting traffic of about 287 people per month to your website. And that's between blogs and those actively looking for your services. If we look at your competitor, they have a rating of a 13, which is still pretty low, but they have over 1,000 backlinks. 1,000 backlinks and a score of 13 also says a lot of these backlinks are not very good quality. Probably no follows or spammy backlinks. And so you need better backlinks, more authority, and more in volume. Because they have a ton of service pages and service areas and blogs like you guys, they're being indexed for over 4,000 different keywords. And they're driving 1,400 people to their website every month. So that just shows you the traffic that you are currently missing out on by not optimizing with those buyer intent keywords and those backlinks. Now, what a backlink, well, with all the backlinks you do have, you have 394, only 79 are do follows. So only 79 are going to be able to give you any bit of help in boosting your website and ranking. What a backlink is when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant this website is to your industry and your services, the more authority it gives you and the bigger boost it's going to give you. But it has to be a do follow, because do follows share the power of these high sites. Like this is a 93. So if this was a do follow, it'd be sharing that power and helping you to rank more. And these backlinks are very closely tied to your keywords. So you need these backlinks with your keywords on all of your pages, your back pages, especially your services and your service areas. And the last thing is this Google Maps section or Google My Business. And your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section in each of your service areas and for your keywords, because 30% of people go directly to the maps and won't go any further. So if you're not listed here, then you are sending all those potential customers to your competition. And in order to be in this top 3, there's several factors, but the biggest one is citations, which is the name of your business, your address, your phone number, and your website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. So you need a lot more of those citations than your top competitors. And if you follow these tips that I've provided you today, your website can become #1 across Google for each of your service areas and services and relative keywords. Thank you so much for watching this video. The whole purpose of the video is to be purely educational. However, if you do want help doing any of these tasks, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.